I'll be showing you each piece and how I made it and how you can possibly make it too. Hey guys, welcome back to Everyday Barbie, and welcome back to another episode of showing you how I made my dollhouse. If you saw the last couple room tours, then you saw my house is made out of a bookshelf. Yes, nothing too fancy. So today we will be looking at this living room. Let's start in this corner over here, starting with this back accent wall. It is just paper that I got from Joann Fabrics. This plant sitting back here is glued inside of a wooden bead, and then there's a penny glued on the bottom of it to help it stand up. Now this couch does look a little bit difficult to make, but believe me, it's actually not too difficult. These are just simple circular pillows. These cushions are really just sponges covered with my desired fabric. Now this couch base is wood. You could always use foam board, wooden dowels for the legs. That's the couch. So we got a TV here. It's just some plastic, probably from a Barbie playset. It is spray painted black on the back of it to keep the front shiny. And then around the edges is electrical tape. You could always add another back to it so you can slip a picture inside, but mine is just plain black, and then I digitally add whatever they're watching onto the TV when I'm filming. Have a Barbie TV remote. Over here, another fake plant. I just love the fake plants. This little TV, this shelf under the TV is also made of wood, glued together. Again, like I do on my own, I will just use foam board. It's easy to cut and make little items like this. We have another fake plant. And then I have a little mouse because I had a mouse and I do not want to forget to mention, my mom designed this room and my dad built all of these pieces. So just know this is not me and I don't take the credit for it. So thank you, Mom and Dad. So again, a book. This was actually a plastic Barbie book. Painted and Sharpied to look this way. And then I have this little straw hat. I don't know where it came from. I think from I don't know. Why is his tail falling off? Okay. Before we move this way, this rug, of course, is just a piece of fabric. The same with the carpet underneath. This carpet is also just like a thick canvas. Over here, we have another chair, very, very similar to the couch, built the same way. Exactly. So it's a really cute piece. Right here we have a plant. There's so many ways to make fake plants and they just look incredible. This room has plenty of them, which I love the look that it gives. This little clear side table is a little jewelry display table. I used a bigger one in Barbie's room recently. And then over here, we have this lamp, this tripod lamp. The shade is glued around a circle cardboard piece. And then we just have, whoops, little wooden dowels that are glued to it. So it's very simple to make. I just really love that piece. Another fake plant filled with real dirt, and it's sitting in a little egg holder. If you have any egg holders, they make great pots, so don't throw out your egg holders. Whoa, 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 okay. This ladder over here was very intricately made. I mean, I feel like my dad spent a lot of time on that. But you can easily find small ladders at like Hobby Lobby, places like that. There are simple ways to make that. It is just wood. And then we have a little mustard colored blanket on here that matches the pillows. Working our way this way, we have this fake fireplace. And yes, this does come out. It's just planks of wood to look like it's built into the wall. So it's really quite simple. I really love the way it looks. It's just really cute. But yeah, when I don't want the fire on, just take it out. Okay. Up here, another fake plant in a little tiny jar. We've got a little mirror, always buy packs from my craft stores, and then the remote to the fireplace. Another fake plant. How many times have I said that? This is an incredibly awesome fake plant though. But then, of course, the age-old way of making tiny baskets is just yarn, twine wrapped around it. I just love the way that looks. We have this little ottoman, very simple to make. I almost forgot about this rug. It's just a fluffy material cut out in an animal shape. The basket chair. I love the basket chair. It has another little fuzzy animal skin on it. But the basket chair is from Etsy. eBay or Etsy. And then my dad welded the metal pieces together. But now I'm looking at it, you could literally just use wire as well. So this is a super easy chair to make. It looks adorable though. I mean, I don't know. This is one of my favorite. Never mind, I like all the rooms. I was gonna say this is my favorite room, but never mind. Anyway, over here, we have a wall hanging. It's just a piece of fabric. Pulled out some of the strands to get these little tassels, and it's glued to a wooden dowel onto the wall. Last but not least, we have this cup of tea. That's cute. This table, you guessed it, is another egg holder for dyeing eggs. That's what we used to use it for, I guess. But yes, so we used another one right here, painted gold, and it looks so cute. Well guys, thank you so much for joining me today to see how I made my living room. I really enjoy filming these for you guys, and I would really appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. Give this a like. Hopefully it'll help more people see this. I really love that you guys are enjoying my videos. It makes me so happy to make something for you guys to enjoy. So please always let me know in the comments what you would like to see next on my channel. And again, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!